How to fix your laptop keys are being pressed automatically. So if the letters on your keyboard are automatically being pressed or typing, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do is just open up your Start menu and click on Settings. Now from the left hand side, click on Accessibility, and then you'll need to scroll down this page and click on Keyboard. Make sure the sticky keys are turned off and disabled, and also make sure the filter keys are turned off as well. You can then close out of this window and open back up your Start menu, search for Device Manager, and then click on this window here. Now go and click on the drop down arrow next to Keyboards, and you should see this keyboard device. Go and right click on this, and then press Update Driver. Now press Browse My Computer for drivers, and click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then select this option here and go and click on Next. Now once you've done this, check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, there's likely some dust or debris stuck around the edges of your keyboard keys. So what you need to do is grab something like a cloth and just try cleaning all of the different keys on your keyboard. Make sure the key's not accidentally being pressed down, and just make sure each of these keys are free from any dust or debris. Once you've done this, that should fix the issue where your laptop keys are automatically being pressed.